Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a.
Hey lovers, welcome back to At Home with Lisa. Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. You all, I just had to come on camera to let y'all see what's going on. Of course, many of you all know that we live in Houston and that we just survived, thank you Lord, a hurricane. So to get prepared, we had to move the furniture off of the front porch, and we had to move the furniture off of the patio because we knew the winds were going to be really strong and we didn't want stuff flying everywhere. So y'all, if y'all have been following me for some time, y'all know that I did a garage organization, a DIY for my garage, and it was so nice, neat, pretty, and everything. But y'all, due to the storm, this is what it's looking like now. We have stuff everywhere, you guys. We have got to get this back on track. We have got to get this together. This side over here is just monstrous here. We have stuff everywhere because we made sure we cleared off the porch, front porch, and we made sure we got everything off of the patio. Even though it's screened in, of course that wind, like I said, was so strong till it could have blown the furniture or whatever pieces that we had in the patio. It could have blown it to our window, and it could have cracked the window. So we were using all safety precautions. So this is where everything came, was to the garage. So this is what it's looking like, y'all, and we got to get this situated because we just got to get it situated because it is in a mess. It's in a disarray. But the good thing about it is it's in a disarray for a reason. If this is your first time here, welcome. We so appreciate you for tuning in on today. And y'all, let's go over to the front porch so y'all can see the front porch. It's completely empty. There's nothing there. There's nothing here, nothing on the door, everything removed. So we got to get this back together. We got to get this back on track. The grass is overgrown here. Yes, so yeah, y'all, we got to get things back looking nice and neat. The way I like it and the way you all like it too. So anyway, you all, let's go inside so we can go and see what the patio area is looking like as well too. Let's go back there. I'm gonna let the garage down. Okay, let's go and see what the patio looks like. See, this is the glass that I was telling you about, that if the wind blew, it would have blown the furniture right into here. So yeah, but anyway, y'all, this is the patio. This is what it's looking like right now. Empty. This is what it's looking like, y'all. So we have got to get this together. We've got to, as you can see, we need to vacuum out here. And then we need to add everything back together. I was worried about the TV as well too, but then we were like, we're just gonna keep it up so it wasn't damaged. Let me make sure, because I hadn't even looked to make sure, but there was nothing to blow and hit it because we had it wrapped really good. So yeah, the TV is safe, the lights are safe, and then the ceiling fan is fine as well too. And y'all, let me tell you, we had no power, no electricity. So we do have a gas stove, and we were able to use the gas stove, but we chose not to use it because of course we couldn't turn the vent on because of no power. But at any rate, we could have used our gas stove for cooking and stuff, but instead we decided to use our gas grill that we have right here. So we cooked all our meals on here, and it has eyes on here as well too. So yeah, you guys, that's what we did. We made it work, but thank God that we were okay. And those whom were affected, I pray that they are doing well and that they are going to be able to use the resources to be able to put things back together, to repair things as well too. So all right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to put things back together.
Almost 2, 140. Stop.
So for love bugs, this is all we got. The carpet is done, it's clean, and we put the rug down, and then we brought the stand back in, and so I'm in the process of decorating this. So this is what we're doing right now, and Mr. Smith is bringing piece by piece in. Alright, as you all can see, we are getting the pieces back in. I gotta figure out the setup again, but we're getting the pieces in, you guys. So it's looking nice, looking right, looking nice. I got the guys bringing the furniture in for me. Okay, you guys, so we are done with the patio for now. Everything is back in place, and it's looking like a nice, warm, and cozy, livable space. And so this is what it is looking like. I hope you guys like it, because I like it. I decided to go with the greens and the neutral tones, you guys. And then I need to put something right here. I know I have to get some coasters to put right there. But this is what it's looking like, you guys. I hope you all like it. And those of you whom have been following me for some time, you've already seen this furniture. The patio, we got it screened in. There's a video on us getting it screened in. We also got the floors done as well too. So there's a video on that. So if you want to go back and see what that process looked like, be more than welcome to. We would appreciate you for doing that. Now this refrigerator right here is a oldie, and this is Mr. Smith's refrigerator where he keep all his drinks at. I do want to upgrade that, so I'm gonna be on the search for another outdoor refrigerator that is more modernized, because this is an old one. I think we had gotten this one for Haley for her dorm room. So that's how old that refrigerator is, but it keeps everything cool, y'all. It keeps everything cool. So all right, you guys, we're gonna head to the front porch and we're gonna get that situated as well too, and then after that we're going to be done. All right, you all, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you all for all your thumbs up and your comments down below.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe.